Aloha. Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. For the second selection for the channel's Tropical Drinks Month, I have for you today Hawaii's Lava Flow. Now, this drink you'll find at restaurants and bars in Hawaii, and it's traditionally served with liquor, while my version is without liquor. It's a simple recipe. I truly hope you enjoy it. I'll let you get to it, and I will talk to you later. As I mentioned in the intro, the lava flow is traditionally made with a rum of some type. That's a light rum, a golden rum, that's also mixed with coconut rum. I'll make a list here for you to see how you can make an alcoholic beverage cocktail. Here is where you would use rum in place of the pineapple juice to make it a frozen cocktail. Be sure to use frozen strawberries. The honey is going to have some difficulty melting and getting integrated because of the coldness. This is why I put it back on the blender. If you use sugar instead, all you need to do is stir it in. As mentioned in an earlier video, I'll be returning to my culinary training starting in September, where I'll be making international and world cuisines in addition to my American regional cuisines. Make sure you come back for that. Once again, it's in September. Alternately, you can pour both the strawberry slushy and the pineapple coconut slushy in at the same time from opposite sides of the glass. You'll get the same beautiful lava effect. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Look at how beautiful the lava flows in that glass. Now, wasn't this an easy cocktail slash mocktail to make? As I mentioned earlier in the video, if you use more of the banana, say a whole banana, you can make the pineapple coconut slushy a little bit creamier. As for the strawberries, make sure your strawberries are on the sweet side. If they're not, make sure you add a sweetener of your choice when you make that strawberry slushy. Mahalo! Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this recipe, give me a like, a thumbs up, share on all the media platforms, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to see more of these videos. And if you are one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I'd like to give a special shout out and thank you to all my international subscribers. Thank you so much. Be the blessing to someone today. And as always, as I leave, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.